Hello guys. Okay, welcome again. And yeah, that's my working piece, and I've measured 1 inch from the top, and now I'm drawing a straight line from that 1 inch. Okay, so that is it. And actually, this pattern is on fold. Okay, so from that line, I am going to measure 12 inches downwards from that line. Actually, that first line is for the elastic. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a straight line below. That's from the 12 inches points below. So that is it. And actually the width of my pattern is 10.5 inches. Okay. And now from the top, from the side seam, I'm going to measure 4 inches from the side seam. And that is where I'm indicating. And from the center front inwards, measure 2.5 inches below and mark. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. And now I'm going to draw a curve from that, from the point below to the one above. Okay, so just follow what I'm doing. All right, so I'm now cutting everything out, and yeah, that's it. You can see the pattern is already ready. Okay, so from below, okay, so yeah, you need to cut another piece for the back side also. Okay, so I am going to measure I'm going to measure 4.5 inches upwards, and then draw a straight line from there, and then I'm going to cut it out. And when I cut it out, I'll cut another piece for it again. Okay, so I'll cut an extra piece for the piece I just cut out. Okay, so that is it. I now have two pieces, and so now I am going to show you how you go about with this how you go about with the two pieces. Okay, so just um place these two pieces on both sides of the pattern we cut the pieces from. Okay, so place them on both sides of the pattern respectively, and then you can now stitch it up. And yeah, that's it. So actually I am going to pin it up to just um illustrate something to you guys. Okay, so that is it. I think my okay is too much, but then you just pardon me. Okay, so I've pinned it up, and yeah, that's it. So you'll have to sew it up. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. You see, it's already looking good. Alright, so I cut an half piece for the pants, and that is it. It's the same measurement. Okay, so the back and front are going to be the same the same measurement. So this is a half piece, so I'll be cutting it on fold when I'm going to cut on my actual working piece. Alright, so I'll cut that on fold. So once you've cut that, you'll also have to join this to the other part of the pants. So you will just have to join it and then stitch it up, and yeah, that's it. And now you'll just have to add your elastic above. So you just fold about half an inch, and then insert your elastic, give it a zigzag stitch, or just the normal stitch, and yeah, that's it. So you just have to apply your elastics all around. So once you join the other part to the front part, then you can add your elastic all around, and the elastic actually makes it more fitted when you wear your underpants. It makes it more fitted to your body. Okay, so that's it. I hope it was useful. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and like this video as well. Please like and subscribe, please, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching. God bless you, stay safe, and bye.